Discord is an outstanding communication platform that allows users to connect with their friends, colleagues, or community members. However, there are moments when you want to leave a specific Discord server. Perhaps you are no longer interested in the topics being discussed there, where you simply want to reduce the number of servers you follow, regardless of the reason. Leaving a Discord server on a mobile device is a straightforward process that we will explain step by step in this guide. It doesn't matter whether you are using iOS or Android, or detailed steps will enable you to get rid of servers that are no longer necessary or desired. The first step is to open the Discord application on your phone. After that, click on the 3 lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now, you can see that you have several servers you've created, and a few you've joined. If you want to leave any of them, all you need to do is tap on that specific server, then tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see the Leave Server option. Once you've found it, click on it. After that, confirm leaving the server by clicking on Yes. You will now automatically and permanently leave that server. It's important to note that if it's a public and large server, you can always find it again and rejoin. However, it's just as easy to review your server list and leave those you don't use or interact with. I hope this tip has been helpful.